Hi folks, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm caught up with grading, so if you haven't seen your grade for the essays or any of the quizzes, go back. And I do offer commentary on most of these exercises as well as the essay, so it might be helpful to you I know it would be helpful for you to read my comments because I do comment on certain aspects of your writing. So check those out, those comments. So coming up, folks, you should be watching Tsotsi, and if you want to participate in the Tsotsi discussion board, you need to finish it before Friday evening. The film that is, and again, that's available through Hoopla. You should be able to set up an account through the Poudre River Library system. And again, if you don't have an account, you can get a temporary one online, and I think I made a link available somewhere to getting that temporary library card. But you should be able to watch Tsotsi several times if you want to, or if you need to. The discussion board itself, I think it's going to be really important to you folks because if you really do, this is going to be an important discussion because it is really, if you do participate in it as a discussion, knocking around ideas, batting around ideas with each other, then you'll probably come up with some interesting information or interesting little tidbits that you can use in your own essay. The more you folks talk about it, the more information you'll generate for your own essay. I'm fairly certain that will happen. So try to participate as robustly as possible in these discussion boards. You're only required to respond to two other students' posts, but the more you participate, again, the more information you're going to generate. And so I would certainly keep going back and reading some of the observations in the comments and posting some yourself. Keep that loop going, that loop of information. So good luck with that. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Good luck.